We had a bunch of rain. You can still see some water everywhere. Water. There's water back there. Anyways, had a lot of rain and we had a really bad leak on the roof. What's going on, y'all? We are once again on the roof, back with another video. And unfortunately, I've had to put a pause on barn stuff and shop stuff because we had a bunch of rain and we had a really bad leak on the roof. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna probably insert a couple clips. I recorded them vertically because I'm gonna do some TikToks with them. So this is here. This is us, and by us I mean me, taking apart the roof. Yeah, I've never done any sort of tile roof stuff, but it's interesting to say the least. Very tedious. You gotta be very careful to not break any tiles. I've already broke a bunch. Luckily, I found some place that has some of these, so I bought some extra ones. We're gonna pretty much redo this whole section from here to the back over there. I found the leak. The leak is right there. This is an old vent that was here. No longer is being used, but it was just kind of covered up. And then somehow we got a bunch of water right there in that spot. That turned into a huge leak inside the house and we gotta get it fixed. That's what this quick little video is gonna be about. I don't think it's gonna be too long, but we'll see. We'll touch base here. Hopefully I can get all of this tile removed today. Remove all this paper and all of these slats on the floor. We're on the roof. 30 seconds, bye. Whew. Oh, look at that sunset. That looks good. Like that. All right. Oh, it looks, oh, golden hour was good, boy. Sheesh. Anyways, it's been a lot of work. And we finally have got some paper down. Oh, it's kind of dark. I nailed just the first row because I'm running out of sunlight just to make sure that they don't fly away overnight. I don't know if this is dirty or just becoming nighttime. I'm digging the sunset. That is nice. Yeah, so we got a long ways to go, obviously. But that first row is crucial. Gotta make sure that's straight because after that first row, you just keep measuring up off of the last row. So if you mess up the first row, you're messing up all of it completely. So we did a lot of measuring, did a lot of checking. Looks straight, looks good, checks out. From now on, it should go a little bit smoother. Let's see what we got going on tomorrow, which is laying down that second row and just hopefully get a lot of progress done. Try to get up early. Ready, set, tomorrow. Peace. That was quick. We're back. New day. A little chilly. Birds are chirping. Good morning. I guess I didn't explain any of this part. So we got these lines laid out. They're 12 and a quarter from the last line. 12 and a quarter from that line to this line. This slat goes here. This slat goes here. And the tile has some locking mechanisms. Is that where? All right, there we go. Here we go. Story time. This locks like that. And then this one locks like that. So see, now these are like locked in place. So we set them on these lines that we measured out to the right length from here to here. It's 12 and a quarter. If you guys have the exact same tile by chance, probably not. So it goes like that. Put those in there. Then the tiles all lock right here in place so that they're all uniform. Yeah, so that's kind of just what the process is. And then we just keep on trucking. Anyways, I gotta get to work, so I will catch you once I'm tired. 2 seconds later, Marlon's tired. All right, let's get it.
moments later.
All right, y'all. We're gonna do a live update here. We've got 4 rows done today. Actually, it's like 2 rows, I think. Or 2 or 3. 3 rows. 3 rows done today. These pipes have been annoying. This tile's old, so I keep breaking it. I'm not having fun. Yeah, get going here. There's a little bit of sunlight left, solid hour and a half. Let's try to push through, maybe get another couple rows done. Can we do that? Crazy, they just take so much time. There's so much stuff that is involved in this. Your boy's tired. I have so much more to go. Look at the rest. So much to go. All right, that was me checking in. Let's get back to it. Whoosh. It's probably windy, huh? Story of my life. I think we're done. It has not been fun. Roofing's not for me. It was a learning experience. I hope to never stand foot on this roof ever again in my life. Definitely order more tile or buy more tile than you need because you're gonna break a bunch. I didn't show how many I broke, but I broke a lot. We'll catch you next time. Peace.